Yesterday also I was very good experience in CMPL exhibition. Today also very good crowd. Geo World Convention Center BKC. We are JB Fragrance and Flavors basically from Ahmedabad. We are making fragrance oil and flavors in Ahmedabad last 75 years. 1950 established in Ahmedabad. So right now today day 2 and morning 2 right now around 2:50 o'clock. Very good client base coming in the our stall and very good response. So majorly contract manufacturing customers coming in CMPL exhibition. And right now we have here is the display for our fragrance category. We are dealing with the cosmetics, detergent, pharmaceutical, fine fragrance industry also. We are exporting more than 32 countries across the world. So majorly very good client coming up cosmetics segment as well as home care segment and perfume segment. Very new fragrances showing here. We are launching almost 15 to 20 new fragrances for the cosmetics segment and perfume segment, air care segments. Very big platform in CMPL exhibition for the fragrances and cosmetics and third party manufacturing.